If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to the settings and verify that Wi-Fi or Ethernet is functioning properly. Step 2. Restart Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Power off your Steam Deck completely and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update Steam and games. Make sure that both Steam and your games are updated to the latest versions. Go to the Steam library, select the game, and check for any available updates. Step 4. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can cause multiplayer issues. In your Steam library, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 5. Check firewall and network settings. Ensure that your firewall or network settings are not blocking Steam or the specific game. You may need to adjust settings or temporarily disable the firewall to see if it resolves the issue. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.